Okay, here we're going to be looking at a Crest 7-station aqueous ultrasonic cleaning system. This is just a photo of what the system looks like when it's all set up, but we're just going to be going through the touchscreen to show the functionality of the computer system. So here's the main control console. And here's the whole control cabinet with all the breakers, fuses, contactors, and obviously the PLC. So the entire machine is controlled through this user interface. It's actually very easy to use. So we'll just go to the main menu, and here are all the sub menus off the main menu. So if you go to auto mode, you can select which recipe you want to use, and then it has an actual visual depiction of the system with each station, like the loading station, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each one of those are different baths. And also interesting on this menu, you can see the total machine cycle. It's only been cycled 351 times. And then also you'll see as we're going through this that there are various errors because there's no other signals attached to this. So all the limit switches and all the safety emergency stops, none of those are connected. So we're going to get many errors, but we're just showing the functionality of this control system. So other, alarm history, there's going to be alarms in there. There's the graphs for the basket count. Under system function, you can manually operate a lot of the functions, like operating solenoid valves to fill tanks up, operate the pumps, change temperatures. So that's station 2, wash. You can go to the next station, 4 and 5. And here's the drying station. You can do things like open the lid and operate the blowers. So we go back to the main menu again, and then another sub menu is the RIGIBOT. You can manually position it.
What is the RIGIBOT?
And this RIGIBOT it's the gantry that comes over and picks up the baskets and sets them into different stations. It's the actual robot. Okay, and then you can change the recipes. So it's real easy just to change the amount of seconds that it's in each one of the stations. So this particular one here, we're in process 3, and you can just change the different the amount of time it's in each one of the stations, and then the ultrasonic dwell time. And then this unit can take 2 different types of baskets. There's a flatter basket, it's more of a rectangle, and then there's a rounder rotational basket that actually gets rotated within these baths. And then there are obviously all the settings that need to be changed, like the temperature. That's the temperature for all the baths. There's more of system type settings that need to be changed. This is in the administrator mode. So this entire system is pretty easy to use, and it's all in excellent condition and with the low cycle count. it's in near new condition.